In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Udemy app on your laptop. First, make sure your laptop is connected to the internet and that you're using a modern web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. While Udemy has mobile apps for phones and tablets, on a laptop you'll typically use Udemy through your browser, or install it as a desktop-style app using your browser's built-in tools. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. Start by opening your preferred browser on your laptop. In the address bar at the top, type udemy.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Udemy website. Always check that the address is correct to be sure you're on the legitimate site. Once the page loads, you should see the Udemy homepage with various courses displayed. If you already have an account, you can log in using your existing details. If not, you can sign up later. For now, we just need access to the site to create the app-like experience on your laptop. Now, with the Udemy site open, we're going to install it as an app. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your browser, but the process is similar. Look towards the top right corner of your browser window. In Chrome or Edge, you'll see a small icon that looks like a computer screen with a downward arrow or a plus symbol. When you click it, you should see an option that says something like Install App or Install Udemy. Click that option. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to install Udemy as an app on your device. Go ahead and confirm. The browser will then create a standalone Udemy window that looks and behaves much more like a regular laptop application, without the usual browser tabs and address bar at the top. After installation, your operating system will add a shortcut so you can open Udemy easily in the future. On Windows, check your Start menu or your desktop for the new Udemy icon. On Mac OS, look in your Applications folder or your launcher. From now on, you can open Udemy directly from that icon, just as you would any other app. If you'd like even quicker access, you can pin the Udemy app to your taskbar or dock. Simply right-click the icon while it's open and choose the option to pin or keep it there. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Udemy app experience on your laptop, making it faster and easier to access your courses whenever you're ready to learn.